Hello, my name is Yogesh Vikas Kate. I am third year student of Computer Department of ZIL Polytechnic. Today we completed our project-based learning activity under the guidance of Professor Brushali Bodankar ma'am and with my teammates Rahul Jadhav and Abhijit Kamte and Tanuja Firke. Our subject name is Advanced Java Programming and subject code is 22517. The importance of currency converter is useful to travelers how their currency will fare when exchange them with other foreign currency. And the currency converter helps international import and export businesses by helping them to determine the selling and the having profits of different products. After that, Tanuja Firke will explain abstract of our project currency converter using Java.
Currency converter project abstract. Different countries use different currency and there is a daily variation in this currency's relation to one another. Who transfer money from one country to another must be updated with the latest currency exchange rate in the market. Currency converter mini project is built keeping these things in mind. It is simply a calculator like web development using AJAX Java serverless web features. In this application, there is a regular update about currency of every country by which is display present currency market value of conversion rate. Such application can be used many users, but it is mainly useful for business shares and finance related areas where money transfer and currency exchange take place on a daily basis. In this currency app, users are provided with an option to select the type of conversion that is from this currency to that currency. These simple features allow users to enter amount to be converted and display the converted amount. Main content, background of the study. The staff who work at places like money exchanges offices have to discuss between different types of currencies and convert them to other currencies, and that is not an easy job. They have to remember the symbol of each currency. This may result into a wrong recognition, so they need an efficient and foolproof system to aid in their work. The aim of our system is to help people who recognize different currencies and be able to convert them to another currencies using known exchange rate, develop of modern banking services, automatic methods of paper currencies, recognize them between important in many applications such as vending machines. It is very difficult to count different demonstration notes in a punch. This project proposes an images processing technique for people currency recognize a conversion. The next extraction recognize of a interest ROI can be used with a pattern recognition. A neural network matching techniques images processing involves changing the nature of an image in a order improve is a factorial information of human interpretation. There are various techniques of currency recognition that involves texture pattern of color based. We use digital image processing techniques to find region of interest. After the neural network and pattern recognition techniques is used for a machine the pattern a number of a method of banknote classification have and proposed temple matching is often used as a simple method to classify banknotes. However, new temple or machine rules are required for new bill types. An efficient way to overcome the problem is to accept features for billing images representing unique characters of bill data. After studying different currencies and considering the availability, we have chosen 5 currencies to work for this project. In order to recognize banknotes, they use two keyword properties of banknotes, directions and face the value of neural network based bill recognition and verification method. The learning vector quantization method to recognize in Italian for robots and affixation component based a method for banknote recognitions by a URF features in other search work. A simple statistical test is used as the verification step where a univariate distribution is employed in another technique for paper currency recognition. Three characters of paper currencies include size, color, and texture are used in the recognition. After studying the previously used method currency recognition, we can see the most these methods algorithms use artificial neural networks. Statement of the problem. Currently, human is needed to recognize the amount of the currency and to convert it manually. This is stressful specifically to people who aren't smart in a calculation. So this project is developed to replace human power to recognize the amount of the currencies. Currency recognitions and convert system is implanted to reduce human powers to automatically recognize the amount of the currency and convert it into another currencies without human supervision. Objective of the study. The main objective of the study is to develop a currency of converter for major countries in the world. The countries to be used there are Indian rupees, Australian dollar, euro, and USA dollar. To achieve this objective, specific observations are laid out with a include. First, develop a system which able to convert between the currencies mentioned above. Second, a system in which an exchange rate of any particular currencies can be stored and used in conversion between the correspondent currency. Third, develop the program that can determine the amount of paper currency using neural network. Fourth, extract a data from the currency images by using digital image processing toolbox. Scope of the study. The scope of the project is to develop a currency recognition and a converter system by using image processing and neural network. In order to implement this system, we have used MATLAB toolbox to achieve the object of the project. The system will be able to recognize the currency amount, integrate hardware and software, extract data from a currency image by using digital image processing toolbox, accept, store and exchanges rate of a conversion between currencies. Significance of the study. This study will be useful to everyone organization that deals with money. It will help in easy conversion of money to another. It will be of immense help to burn be changes as it will ease the task of currency recognition and conversion. This work also significant to scholars who used make a research about currencies recognition conversion. Limitation of the study. The major limitations of these studies is during the actual software development. The source code for image recognition was difficult to obtain as a PHP programming languages doesn't have much supports for image recognition. Also, due to lack of enough money, time and a confidentially importance of system develop converts all aspects of money convergence and a few aspects of currency recognition. Definition of terms currency. Money or any item used for exchange of goods and services and facilities translation conversion. The act of bringing out an equivalent of one commodity in another commodity. After Rahul will explain you program code.
I am Rahul Jadhav. I am explained a program code of our project currency converter. First we create packages that we need in the program. First is java.awt, then javax.swing. Then we create a AGPMP class. In that class we declare a variable that is frame, button, inbox, label, text field. Then we launch the application. Then we create a main method. In the main method we create a void run method. In that we create a try and catch block. That is, we create a AGPMP class and we access the class by creating window keyword. Then we create the application. First initialize all the contents in the frame, that is a frame, label, text field, star box, inbox, label, that is. Then we perform an action event on the convert button. First we will convert input string into double. Then now we work with all compose boxes, cover all the possible in the compose.
First is that is example, first Australian dollar into euro, then Australian dollar into rupees, then Australian dollar into USDs. With the second combo, that is euro, first is we convert euro into Australian dollar, then euro into Indian rupees, then euro into United States dollar. Then we work with Indian combo, that is Indian rupees into Australian dollar, then Indian rupees into euro, then Indian rupees into United States dollar. Then we work with third combo, United States dollar. First we convert United States dollar into Australian dollar, then United States dollar into euro, then United States dollar into rupees. Then we call the object of get selected item. Then we create an action event on the exit and convert button, that we user touch the exit button, that window will be closed. We move to the conclusion. From the project of currency converter, we learn how to create a currency converter using Java language and the importance of the currency converter for people who live in the another countries.